Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we've got a face-off between two heavyweight robot vacuums, the Lefant M210 and the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S. One's like a trusty sidekick, and the other is basically a cleaning superhero. So let's dive in and see which one deserves a spot in your home. Alright, let's talk cash. The Lefant M210 comes in at a wallet-friendly $199. That's like buying a decent dinner for two these days. Meanwhile, the DEEBOT T30S is a whopping $999. For that price, it better come with a butler named Jeeves. So if you're looking to save some bucks, Lefant's got your back. But if you're ready to splurge, keep watching. Next up, suction power. The Lefant M210 has decent suction, enough to keep your floors clean and your pets slightly confused. Reviewers mention that, while it works well for most of its battery life, it can lose strength towards the end. But the DEEBOT T30S? Oh boy, this beast boasts an unbeatable 11,000 pascals suction power. It's like having a black hole in your living room. If you drop a crumb, it's gone before it hits the floor. Advantage, DEEBOT! Pet owners, this one's for you. The Lefant M210 has a unique brushless suction port that ensures pet hair goes straight into the dustbin. No more untangling hair from roller brushes. Reviewers appreciate its performance on pet hair, but note it can struggle a bit on carpets. Meanwhile, the DEEBOT T30S has zero tangle technology, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. Both are great, but if you want to avoid the hair-raising experience of detangling, either one will do the trick. Navigation time. The Lefant M210 uses upgraded Free Move Technology 2.0 with 6D anti-collision sensors. It's like a cautious grandma, carefully avoiding obstacles. Reviewers love its ability to navigate around objects without getting stuck. On the other hand, the DEEBOT T30S is like a ninja with True Detect 3D 3.0 and True Mapping 2.0. It avoids obstacles with the precision of a surgeon. If you have a house that resembles a maze, DEEBOT's your guy. Cleaning modes. The Lefant M210 offers 6 modes: auto, spot, edge, zigzag, scheduled, and manual. It's like having a Swiss Army knife of cleaning options. Reviewers find these modes versatile and useful for different cleaning needs. But the DEEBOT T30S takes it to another level with its intelligent deep mopping and true edge adaptive edge mopping. It even re-washes and re-mops the floor if needed. It's basically the overachiever of robot vacuums. Battery life showdown. The Lefant M210 gives you up to 120 minutes of runtime, which is pretty solid. However, some reviewers note it can lose strength towards the end of its battery life. But the DEEBOT T30S? It runs for up to 180 minutes and charges 40% faster than its previous version. It's like the marathon runner of robot vacuums. If you have a mansion or just a really big house, DEEBOT's got the stamina. Last but not least, smart features. The Lefant M210 can be controlled via the Lefant app and responds to Alexa or Google Assistant. It's like having a helpful friend. Reviewers appreciate its simplicity and reliability, though some had issues with Alexa connectivity. The DEEBOT T30S, however, goes full Tony Stark with voice commands, Apple Watch integration, and even a foot touch start. It's basically Jarvis in vacuum form. If you love tech, DEEBOT is your dream come true. Overall, reviewers find the Lefant M210 to be a great budget-friendly option with solid performance and easy navigation, though it has some limitations on carpet and with suction power towards the end of its battery life. On the other hand, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S is praised for its powerful suction, advanced features, and efficient cleaning, though its higher price point and large base size are noted as potential drawbacks. So there you have it, folks. Lefant M210 is your budget-friendly, pet-loving buddy, while the DEEBOT T30S is the high-tech, super suction powerhouse. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep shopping smart. Product links are in the description.